Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can change notification sounds for third-party apps on your iPhone. Friends, subscribe to this channel, be sure to put your likes, and please write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. And please open up the phone settings on your iPhone. And then in the settings, swipe down, select the notifications option. And here I'm going to show you the difference between changing notification sounds for extraneous apps and for apps that are always installed on your iPhone. So let's say if I go to Messages now, there's opposite of that, there's a sounds option. A selection of different sounds that you can install on your iPhone. If, let's say I go to a third-party app, let's say I go to Instagram. There's an option in front of the sound option to either turn the sound on or turn the sound off. So it's not possible to choose what kind of sound, like I just did in the messaging app. But in some third-party apps and the apps themselves, you can try to change the notification sound. I want to show you how that works using the Facebook Messenger app as an example, because I know for a fact that there is such an option there. In other applications, you have to look for such options. So, Facebook Messenger. Next, in the upper left corner, click on the three bars. Next is the gear. Swipe down a little bit, and this is where you'll find notifications and sounds. Scroll down a little bit and click on this option here. And as you can see, there are 7 different sounds here for notifications on Facebook Messenger. You can choose absolutely any of these sounds that you like best and leave it. In other apps, I recommend you to also search for notifications and sounds. Maybe there will also be an option there where you can change the notification sounds in that particular app. This is the way you can change the notification sounds for third-party apps on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you, that it was useful for you. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.